Namatinye ukwu ekele. Who is doing that? No noise, or else you're gonna be the one to sing it, all right? When I finish, Amarachi Nziwu will sing for us. Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị mma, ịbụ Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube. Amara gị n'ebe anyị nọ, ebere gị n'ebe anyị nọ, anyị na-ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Chukwu gọzie ezinụlọ anyị, gọziere anyị nne na nna anyị. Biko gọziere anyị ụmụnna anyị o, gọziere anyị ikwu na ibe anyị, ma ndị enyi anyị niile. Anyị na-ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị mma, ịbụ Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube. Amara gị n'ebe anyị nọ, ebere gị n'ebe anyị nọ, anyị na-ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Chukwu gọzie ezinụlọ anyị, gọziere anyị nne na nna anyị. Biko gọziere anyị ụmụnna anyị o, gọziere anyị ikwu na ibe anyị, ma ndị enyi anyị niile. Anyị na-ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Amarachi kedu? Amarachi ọ nọ ebe a?
Anọ m ebe a.
Yay! Can you sing for us? Come on. Come on. Come on.
Yes, I know one. I know.
Do you know, can you sing one Igbo song for us? Ego Siaya, your homework would be to know the meaning of all of them. Okay? Gora you famous.
Anya meriwo, anya meriwo, ekene dịrị na onye nyema imeri, anyị meriwo, anyị meriwo, ekene dịrị na onye nyera mmeri.
So, onye nyere anyị, onye means what? Someone who, right? Nyere anyị, gave to us, right? Somebody who gave us something, right? Mary is what?
Victory.
Victory. There you go. You see, everybody, make sure you know at least Igbo song. When I call you, if you sing, after singing, you tell us the meaning. Okay? So, Manachi, when we say Onye, we are referring to who? We're referring, who gave us victory? Who is that person?
Shuku.
Shuku, which is what? What is
God?
Shuku? God. Okay, guys, no more freebies on the screen. No more clapping. We're done. We're done. That's it. That's it. All right. So, today means what? Tata. Today, potata. Now, let me say this. I need you to know all your, I'm going to show you this phrases. You have to know your phrases. But what we are doing today is gender specific. We are talking about gender today. We are not talking about phrases because we've done it. And what I want you to do is to make sure you know them before next week, because we're going to have a quiz. I will post it again. Here is your phrases. It is on the screen. If you know you don't have phone, tell your parents that they need to print it out. You need to know all of them. You need to know how to say it. My name is, because I'm going to start calling you, start doing assessments. And if you don't get it, you're going to stay in the beginner class. You get it, you move on to intermediate class. All right? So you need to know it. Before we start next year, we'll normally resume class second week of January. I believe so, yes. But we close second week of December to give some of you chance to do your exams. Okay? School will be over second week of December, and then we open second week of January. So throughout that time, if I didn't finish the assessment, I will continue till we resume. So this assessment is one-on-one, oral. If you are not able to answer any of this, if you are not able to, say them, now you're gonna stay in the beginner class. So all these phrases are humble. My name is. You need to know how to say it and say your name. I'm Jojo. See, am I recording? I don't know if I'm recorded. Let me see. No. Okay, yes, we're recording. Enwere ajụjụ. I have a question. Ajụjụ mbụ. Ajụjụ mbụ. My question is, okay? My question is, that's what it is. So you gotta know it. No excuse. I want any excuses. My question is, and then you ask your question. You need to know how to say them in Igbo and know the meaning of them in English. Amaghị m ya. I don't know it. Amam ya. I know it. Amam ya. I know it. This is a review because we've done this before. But I want you to know all of them and know how to say them in the house. You need to speak to your parents in Igbo, not in English. That's how you learn. Zara Obi. Where's Zikora? Where's Zikora Obi? Zikora, I need you to see them. Achamke Norani. Zikora Obi on ebe. Zikora. Where is Zikora Obi? Where is Zikora Zara? Zara Obi, I need you to sit down. Get up. Zara Obi, sit down. You're not going to lie down during this class. I need you to sit. Sit. I need you to face your screen. You're not going to lie down. Zikora, mama goneba. Zikora, Obi, mama goneba. No, Zara. Zara oneba, Zara. Zara. I need you to unmute you. I need you to answer me, Zara. Zara, ga-akpọ mama gị. Ga-akpọrọ mama gị. Gbawa. Go call your mom. Call your mom. Tell your mom auntie wanna speak to her. Is your mommy there?
No.
She's not there. Come sit there.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Zara, sit down. After class, tell your mom to call me. I need you to sit down. If you lie down again, then I'm going to take you out of the class. Sit down. No more lying down. All right? Okay. So everybody pay attention. Adam mma means I am fine. Adam mma, I am fine. Adegim mma. Adegim mma means I am not fine. Papa mob nna. Your father means papa mob nna. If you want to say my dad, you say papam. You want to say my mom, you say mamam. My mom, mamam mob nnem. Mom means mama mob nne. Dad means papa mob nna. Okay? Okay. Kedu maka papa gị? Kedu means how are you? And also kedu ka imere means how are you as well. When I say kedu maka papa gị means how is your dad? How is your dad means kedu maka papa gị. How is your mom means kedu maka mama gị. How is your mom, okay? Now, papam dị mma. Papam Demma means my dad is fine or well or okay. Mama, the ma. You put that M because it's possessive. Mama, the ma. All right? Now, what is ta? Ta means today. Ta. You can say tata or you can say ta. It means today. Okay? Ta. Tomorrow. Tomorrow means echi. Echi. Ta means today. You can also say tata. It means today. Tomorrow means echi. Next tomorrow is nwannechi. Next tomorrow is called nwanne echi. Nwanne echi. Zara, I need you to sit still. Stop moving. Nwanne echi. Okay? Next tomorrow. Nwanne echi. You can sound it yourself. I want to make sure you know how to say it. Now, in 3 days, okay? In 3 days is nwanne echi. 2 days coming is nwanne echi, which is next tomorrow. Nwanne echi. In 3 days coming, nwanne echi. That's how you say it. Okay? All right. Yesterday is ụnyaahụ. Yesterday is ụnyaahụ. I said all this, you need to know it. You need to know it, okay? Ụnyaahụ. Now let me repeat again. I said ka is today. Tomorrow. Means echi, right? Next tomorrow is nwanne echi. Nwanne echi. Don't forget that. Nwanne echi. Now, in three days coming, it's nwanne echi. Don't forget what I'm saying. Somebody is raising hand. Yeah, Ifunanya.
Are you going to be asking questions?
Yeah, that's why I want you to know it. So tell mommy or daddy to print it out. So you go over with mommy or daddy or your siblings, give it to them to quiz you, and they will quiz you. So you need to know the meaning of all of them. And then you use it in the house. If you want to say mommy or daddy, I'm going to aunt's house tomorrow. Then you know the meaning of tomorrow. Echi. Agamaga. Echi. I will go tomorrow. If you say, I'm coming today, you know the meaning of today. So you need to know all these phrases. You need to know them. Keep learning it. You have 1 week to learn it. That's a lot of time, right? Okay. So tomorrow is echi. Next tomorrow, one echi. 3 days coming, one echi. Okay? Now, if you say yesterday, tomorrow, whoa. Yesterday, Some people call it echi garaga. Some dialect, you will say echi garaga. Okay? Ụnyaahụ. Yesterday is ụnyaahụ. Some people call it echi garaga. You can, whichever one your dialect uses, okay? Echi gara. Echi garaga. All right, but we use ụnyaahụ. But no, it's called echi garaga too. So people say that. Day before yesterday, which means 2 days ago. Day before yesterday is nwanne ụnyaahụ. Nwanne ụnyaahụ. Now, 3 days ago, it's called nwanne ụnyaahụ. You see how it goes? It's simple. Nwanne ụnyaahụ. Don't forget it. Just like tomorrow is nwanne echi. 3 days coming, nwanne echi. Now, yesterday, ụnyaahụ. Day before yesterday, nwanne ụnyaahụ. Now, in 3 days coming, 3 days ago, it's nwanne echi. Don't forget it. Everybody know it. It's easy. I keep repeating it. All right. When I say kedu ka ị mere taa, taa means today, means how are you today? When I put taa, it means today. When I say kedu ka ị mere, it means how are you? When I say kedu, it means how are you? Kim Amanda, or Chizara, you have a question?
You said that when it was 3 days ago, you said nwanne echi.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for seeing that. Thank you. It's nwanne ụnyaahụ. It means, who is that? Is that Chimamanda or Chizara?
Chizara.
Chizara Dal. It means Chizara is paying close attention. Good. It's nwanne ụnyaahụ. Dalu Chizara Dalu. Okay. So it's nwanne ụnyaahụ. Now we have Adegem Mata. Remember, we said that already. I am not fine today. All the ma, it means it is fine. Now, Oboch. Oboch means day. When I say, oh, Chizara kedu, ka oboch gede. Oboch means your day. How is your day? Kedu ka ụbọchị gị dị? He said, Chizara will say, ụbọchị m dị mma. Ụbọchị means a day. Okay, not today. Ụbọchị means like a day. Okay, a day. How is your day? Like when you say, ask somebody, how is your day? So it means ụbọchị. It is not today. Your day is not today. If I say, how is your day going today? My day is going well today. Ụbọchị m na-aga ọfụma taa. Today means taa maọbụ tata. Now, ụbọchị means day. D-A-Y, day. Okay? It is not the sentence as today. Today means tata. Day means ụbọchị. Okay. Kedu ka ụbọchị gị mere? You see that? How is your day? Ụbọchị m dị mma. It means my day is okay or my day is fine or well. You can say okay or well. It is the same. All right? Ụbọchị m anaghị aga nke ọma. My day is not going well. My day is not going well. Ụbọchị, you can say that and you can ask these questions. You can say, oh, my day is not going well, or my day is going well. So that's how ụbọchị means my day. Anaghị aga nke ọma, or you can say ọfụma. My day is not going well. But I'm going to give you a little bit. we're not going to do all of them. I'm going to stop it from ụbọchị day, okay? Now, we're not going to do all of them because I want you to be able to learn all that I put here because we still have others to do. Make sure you know your greetings as well. So I'm going to post this. This is what you're going to learn. Know all of them before next week. So I'm not going to give you too much because I want you to learn all of them. All right. So this is all you need to learn for your phrases. Okay. We are reviewing it and you're supposed to know it. So let me save this one. And we're going to do gender specific. you need to know your genders as well. So before you come to class next week, make sure you know all of them. Let's go up. Next up. All right, so October 25. Thank you. Okay, so do you have question? Chima, somebody else is still raising hand. If you have question for the phrases, let me know before we move on to another one, to gender. Do you have question? Let me know if you have question now, because if you don't have question, we keep going, right? Let me know if you have question. Okay, so nobody has question, right? Okay, we're gonna move on. Let's
Auntie?
go to, yeah, somebody raise your hand with your emoji. That way I will see you, okay? Okay, that's Chim Sonarim. Okay, Chim Sonarim, go ahead.
Is is tomorrow Echi or
Echi. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, tomorrow is Echi. So, okay, Chim Sonarim, you got it, right? Another person with question. Oluchi na Chino, so okay. Oluchi, go ahead. Is that Chino, so Oluchi? You have a question after you,
Ahambu
Emmanuel.
Oluchi Madawere Majuju.
Okay, Oluchi, ngwa Jona Jojo. Oluchi, go ahead.
Can you repeat what yesterday was?
Yesterday. I hope you guys are paying attention. Yesterday is, okay, see. Echi is tomorrow. Yesterday is onyaho. Onyaho. Can you say that, Oluchi? Onyaho.
Onyahu.
Say it again.
Onyahu.
There you go. And next day before yesterday, what is it, Oluchi? Nwanne ụnyaahụ. Can you say nwanne ụnyaahụ? There you go. In 3 days coming, what is it, Oluchi?
One year Onyahu.
No. 3 days coming. Yes, 3 days ago is nwanne ụnyaahụ. So you repeat nwanne twice. But yesterday is ụnyaahụ, okay? Now, day before yesterday, which is 2 days ago, is nwanne ụnyaahụ. Now, if it's 3 days ago, you repeat nwanne twice before you say it, then it will be nwanne ụnyaahụ. Okay, Oluchi, you got it?
Yeah. Dalu.
Imela. Emmanuel, go ahead.
Someone is using the restroom in the class.
You say what?
Someone is using the restroom in the class and they're showing it.
No, listen, I need you to pay attention on the screen. If I'm going to look for that person and I'll take that person out, maybe that person didn't know. So I just don't want you to start now. Emmanuel, I need you to focus on the screen. Stop looking at people's videos, okay? I need you to focus on the screen. Stop looking on the people's video. Because if you're paying attention on the screen, you're not going to see it. All right? Don't look at them. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, Dalo. I'm going to close it because that person doesn't know. Okay? All right. Okay, so any other question before we move on to gender? All right, we're going to go to gender now. So let's do gender specific.
I'm sorry, I do have a question.
Oh, Ngozi, sorry. Nda from ge. Okay, gịnị wụ ajụjụ gị?
Ajụjụ m bụ on Yahoo, is there a bomb under the U's, the 2 U's?
Okay, so let's go back to that now. And we have oh, now, where is good. Okay. All right. So look at it here. It's supposed to be dot underneath it, but because I typed it and I have not dotted it. So onyaho is supposed to be onya. O, okay? The first U should have a dot underneath. Nya. You see the N and Y is supposed to be together in the alphabet. Then aho. The other U should have been dotted too.
Okay.
You see that? So the O, which is O, nya, aho. So that first U should be dotted. The last U should be dotted as well. And
Okay.
then the N, okay, so you see that? And Y are together. Nye, onya, aho. You got it, Ngozi?
Yeah, amen.
In there. Okay, so now let's move on again. Let's do the gender. I want you to know the gender. Okay, so the gender now, I'm gonna share a page so you'll see the gender. Okay, when it comes to gender specific, right? Okay, I'm gonna put just my video up so you will see what I'm doing. Oh, come on, why is it doing this? Okay, so I want everybody to see how I'm moving my mouth, how I'm saying it, because you need to get it. You need to know how to say it too, okay? So male, when it comes to male is nwoke, nwoke. Some people call it nwanwoke, okay? But just, I want you to stick with nwoke. Don't worry about nwanwoke. Just nwoke is what I want you to know. That a male is nwoke. Female is nwanye. All the girls are one. Boys are nwoke. Whether it's a boy, whether it's a man, it's nwoke. Then whether it's a girl, whether it's a woman, it's nwanye. So female is what? Nwanye. Male, nwoke. Male, nwoke. Female, nwanye. All right? So if you want to say, my brother, you say nwannem nwoke. My sister, nwannem nwanye. Because that gender is there. Now, when you say sibling is nwanne ifoma. Sibling is nwanne. Nwanne is sibling. Just sibling. I didn't say siblings. Okay, pay attention. I said sibling. Sibling is nwanne. My sibling, nwannem. Nwannem. My sibling, nwannem. Okay, your own sibling. We didn't say your sibling, the boy or a girl. We just say sibling. We are not specific about, is it a sibling, a boy or a girl? Now, if you want to say, my brother, which is your sibling, a boy one or sibling, a girl sibling, that's when you say it this way. If you want to say your sibling, your brother, right? You say, nwannem nwoke, because nwanne is sibling, right? Now you say, if you want to say my brother now, you say, which your brother is your sibling. Then you say, nwannem nwoke, because nwoke is male. Now, if you want to say my sister, you say nwannem nwanyị, because nwanyị is female. That's how you represent my brother, my sister. But if you want to say sibling, oh, that's my sibling. You're not telling us, how many siblings do you have? I have one sibling. And you say, I didn't ask you, is your sibling a boy or girl? You just say nwannem. Nwanne is sibling. Now, if you want to say siblings with an S, you say omunnem, right? Omunnem. Omo. So in Igbo, you don't put that S there. You don't say one names. You don't say names. No. You use omo, mob, nde to represent it. You want to put siblings when you have ifoma. Siblings when you have 4, 5 siblings or 2 siblings, which is plural, right? Then that's when you say omo nne. You say omunnem. Okay, but if it's one person, you say nwannem. When you have more than one sibling, you say omunnem. When you have only one, you say nwannem. I hope you're getting it. Now, a little child. A little child is nwata kere. You can also call a little child obere nwa. Obere nwa. Maọbụ nwata kere. Okay? Obere nwa maọbụ nwata kere. I will ask you, we're going to have a quiz. You need to know this before next week, please. Now, a boy, even though a male is nwoke, female is one. Now, if you want to differentiate it, if you want to be specific, that's why it says gender specific. A boy is nwata nwoke. Nwata nwoke. That's what you call a boy. Nwata nwoke. But now pay attention. I didn't say little child. I didn't say a little boy. I just say a little child is nwata kere. Maọbụ obere nwata. It means a little child, okay? It could be a toddler. It doesn't matter whether it's a boy or a girl. We just say a little child. A little child could be a boy or girl. Now, if you want to say a little boy, nwatakịrị nwoke, a little girl, nwatakịrị nwanyị. You see that? That's how you differentiate it, because now you know genders, right? If you want to say a little boy, nwatakịrị nwoke, or obere nwata nwoke. If it's a little girl, nwatakịrị nwanyị, or obere nwata nwanyị. Okay? Now, boy here is nwata nwoke. A girl, nwata nwanyị. Okay? So let's put it, because I want you to know what you're doing. If we say small boy or little boy, okay? Let's say small boy and a small girl. Small can be little, okay? Small girl or small boy. So nwata nwoke, nwata nwanyị. A little boy, so let's use a little. Now, obere nwata nwoke, you see that? When you say obere nwata nwoke, or you can also say nwatakịrị nwoke, nwatakịrị nwoke. I want you to know that. A little child. Now you're putting a gender there. A little child is nwatakịrị, but when you say a little boy, a little girl, it means nwatakịrị nwoke or obere nwa nwoke. That's how you say. Now if you say a little girl, it means obere nwa nwanyị maọbụ nwatakịrị nwanyị. That's how you say that. Obere nwa nwanyị. You can also say nwatakịrị nwanyị. Okay? Nwatakịrị nwanyị. Now, a child is nwa. You can say a child, nwa. My child, nwam. Nwa. A child is nwa. Okay? A child is called nwa. If you want to say my child, you say nwam. My child is nwam. Nwam. Okay? Now, you want to say children. Ụmụaka. Some people say ụmụazị. Depending on your dialect. Children. You see, this is plural. I need you to know that. Children. Plural. So that's when you use this. Ụmụazị. Ụmụaka. Just like we said up here. Siblings, which is plural too. Siblings. Ụmụnne. When you say my siblings, when you say, let's say when you say nwannem, my sibling, this is singular. It means nwannem. With the M, because this is nwannem. This is my sibling. When you say my siblings, ụmụnnem, say that. My siblings. It means ụmụnnem. Ụmụnnem. It means my siblings. Okay, this is plural. Okay, so moving on now, we said a child is nwa. When you say my child, nwam, nwam, okay? A son, nwa nwoke, okay? A son is nwa nwoke. This is not my son. You just said a son. A son, nwa nwoke. A daughter, nwa nwanyi. When you say, for example, my son, see, example here said, my son. You say, nwa nwoke. So your example here, we say, my son. You say, nwa nwoke. My son, nwa nwoke. When you say, my daughter, nwa nwanyi. Okay, so a son is simply nwa nwoke. Nwa nwoke. When you say a daughter, nwa nwanyi. Nwa nwanyi. Okay, not nwa nwanyi. But when you say my daughter, for example, when you say my daughter, you say nwa nwanyi. Nwa nwanyi means my daughter. All right, so that's what it is. But a daughter is not nwa nwanyi, okay? A daughter is nwa nwanyi. Nwa nwanyi. That's what it is. Don't say what I didn't say. I need you to pay attention when you're saying it. Okay? You need to pay attention when you're saying it. All right, we need to go. Let me do this one. Now, if it's, remember I said small, little girl. Oh, this one is not changing. 1 second, I need to change it. More space. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. So if you say small or little, something that is small or little is called obere. Obere. Opere, you say all the obere, all the ntakere. Okay? All the obere, mob, all the ntakere. Some people use the word mpe. Mpe is small. You say opere mpe. Some people use, some dialects say mpe. It means also small. If you're making a sentence, you say opere mpe. It means it is small. Opere mpe. It is small. It means opere mpe. So it is small. This is example here. Okay? It is small or little. All the ntakere, all the obere, opere mpe. So you can say it is small. See that? It is little. See that? So small means obere mopu mpe. So let me put it on the other side. I want you to see what it is. Obere or small. So we can say obere, ntakere. We can also say mpe. All three of them mean the same thing. It is small. It means small or little. So use whichever dialect you speak. All right? Now, little boy, I put it again. Nwatakịrị nwoke. Nwatakịrị nwoke. You can say that it means the same thing. It means obere nwa nwoke, okay? Obere nwa nwoke, it means the same thing. When you say little child, obere nwa, okay? Obere nwa, you can also say nwatakịrị, it's a little child. Little girl, nwatakịrị nwanyị. Or you can say obere nwa nwanyị. Obere nwa nwanyị. You can say obere nwa nwanyị. Operating syllables so that you see how to pronounce it. Obere nwa nwanyị. Okay? Big, something that is big is nnukwu. Big is nnukwu. You can say all the nnukwu, it is big. O buru ibu, you can say nnukwu or ibu. Okay? O buru ibu, you can say that, ibu. So, this is example here. Can I give you example when you're making a sentence? Come on. Not changing. Okay, for example, you can say, all the nuku means it is big. You can also say, o buru ibu. It means also it is big. Big, it means nuku. When you want to say, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Daalụ nke ukwuu. Daalụ nke ukwuu. Thank you so much. So much is something that is big. Don't forget. So much. Oh, thank you very, very much. Thank you so much. Daalụ nke ukwuu. Udo. Chudo. Now, stop touching your screen. I need you to delete what you're writing on the screen right now. Chudo, I need you to delete it. And don't touch the screen again. Chudo, I need you to delete it. Don't touch your screen. I need you to listen to what I'm saying. If you don't pay attention, if you're busy writing on the screen, you're going to miss what I'm saying. I need everybody to pay close attention. When you say, thank you so much, I want you to say it in Igbo. Don't say it in English. Daalụ nke ukwuu. Nke ukwuu. See that? Daalụ nke ukwuu means thank you so much. So let me put it here. When you say thank you so much, it means daalụ nke ukwuu. Daalụ nke ukwuu. It means when parents make you so happy, when your friends just did something that you're like, oh, thank you so much. Daalụ nke ukwuu. I want you to start saying it. Say it to your children. Say it to your parents. Say it to your friends. You know, when you're so happy about something, oh, thank you so much. Instead of saying it in English, say it in Igbo. Daalụ nke ukwuu. I want you to start thanking people like that. Daalụ nke ukwuu. That's how it sticks. But if you don't use the word, tomorrow if I ask you what it is, you wouldn't know it. But you have to know it before coming to class next week. Okay? Man means nwoke. A man. Remember what I said before? Whether it's a boy, whether it's a man, it means nwoke. Men. Ụmụ nwoke. Okay? Pay attention. Ụmụ nwoke. Now, this is why it's called gender specific. We're trying to be specific here. Male is a what? Nwoke. Female is one. But now, when we try to say man, a man is nwoke. So let's just say a man, nwoke, men. Ụmụ nwoke. Ụmụ. See, this is plural. Don't forget. Plural, and we don't say we don't have a way of using X in Igbo, but ụmụ and ndị. You can say ụmụ nwoke maọbụ ndị nwoke. That's how you say plural when you're about to say men, when they're two and above, okay? Women, this is plural too. You also use plural. This is ụmụ nwanyị, right? This is plural because this is more than one woman, okay? You have more than one. Ụmụ nwanyị maọbụ ndị nwanyị. You use something like this to denote it. Don't just say nwanyị. Okay, ụmụ nwanyị, okay? When it's plural. Teenage boy, a teenager. Now, teenagers are, a teenage boy is nwa okorobịa. Some people call it okorobịa. Some also call it nwa okoro. But let's stick with nwa okorobịa. You can also say okorobịa. Fine. So let's remove this one because I don't want to confuse you. Use nwa okorobịa or you can say okorobịa. It means a boy, a teenage boy. Okay, till somebody who is not married. You call them okorobịa. Okay, or nwa okorobịa. If it's a teenage girl, it's okay. Now, when you say teenagers, ụmụ okorobịa, plural. Don't forget, okay? This is plural. I want you to know that this is plural, okay? You say teenage boys or young adult boys, ụmụ okorobịa. Now, teenage girl, nwa agbọghọbịa or agbọghọbịa. A teenage girl is nwa agbọghọbịa or agbọghọbịa. If young adult girls, ụmụ agbọghọbịa, and this is plural too. It's plural. All right. That's what it is. And we have children, ụmụaka, ụmụntakịrị, maọbụ ụmụazị. We're going to stop here today. All right, we're going to stop here and finish up. But all that I did, I'm going to send it to you. Make sure you know it. Make sure you know it. I'm going to post it. And you have to know all of them. If you have a question now, ask me a question. Because we are running out of time. Gender specific. Go ahead. O nwere ajụjụ? O nwere onye nwere ajụjụ?
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Okay, kedu onye na-ekwunu?
So nwa, you said
Who is talking? Who is talking?
Amarachi.
Okay, Amarachi, ngwa.
Nwa is also baby, right?
Nwa, yes. Now, if it's a new baby is nwa ọhụrụ. Some people say nwa ọhụrụ. Nwa ọhụrụ. Some Anambra dialect will say nwa ọfụ. I will add it there. So if it's a new baby, Amarachi is nwa ọhụrụ ma nwa ọfụ. But if it's just a little child, like a baby, you say nwata.
Nwata.
Nwata, yes. Nwata is a baby. Nwata is a baby. If it's a newborn baby, remember there's a big difference. A 2 weeks old baby, a week old baby. A week old baby is a baby. A newborn baby born today is nwa ọfụ maọbụ nwa ọhụrụ. Okay, so that's being specific when you're trying to say, okay, a baby. How old is the baby? A baby, maybe a week old, 1 month old, 3 months, 9 months, is still a baby. Okay. Now, when you talk of a toddler, nwatakịrị, you see that nwatakịrị.
Nwatakịrị.
Nwatakịrị. Then a baby is nwata. Nwata. Okay. Is that all you have to ask? Do you have another question?
That's all. Dalu.
Okay. Email. Any other person with a question? Ask me a Jokwa Juju Jokwa Juju because I'm gonna ask questions and you must know it. You have to know it. Jokwa Juju Ubua. All right, so we don't have any other question. If we don't have question, then we gotta close. But hey, we did two things today. We reviewed your phrases and we did gender specific. You need to know all of them before coming to school. Now, your homework. Your homework is going to be to learn all of them. That's it. Learn all of them. Use it in the house, right? That is your homework. You're not writing anything, but you need to learn all of them. And then go, I will post the video. Go to the forum, go to Atlanta Igbo YouTube channel and pull it and review it. You need to know it. And then I will post the class note as well. But for those of you, I know some of you don't have phone. Tell your parents to print it out and give to you and go over with you and use it. Use all these words in the house. Practice and let your siblings quiz you. And Amarachi Nzogu, you know ever. Okay. Nwanne gị nwanyị. Gịnị wụ nwanne gị nwanyị?
Sister.
Your sister. My sister. I need you to answer me the way it is. Don't say sister. It's my sister, right?
Okay.
So your sister, her homework is not to speak Igbo today, not to speak English today and tomorrow. So whenever she calls you, no English. Don't speak English. I'm not joking. So, and I'm going to call your mom to know. I told her I need the mom's number. I need to verify all her communication with you guys today and tomorrow will be all those in the intermediate class. All of them, no English, no today and tomorrow. So very soon, I'm going to start doing it here. So I want you to be mindful of that. Don't speak English to her. You don't know how to say it in Igbo. Ask your mom, whatever you want to say. Ask her how to say it. Then you speak to your sister. I know you don't live with your mom, but you need to speak Igbo. The same thing with you because you have to interact with your sister. Okay? So no English.
Yes,
Imagine no English. Igbo. All right. So
Yes, ma'am.
Jojo. Since nobody has any question, Jojo. Okay. I don't have a question. Ngwanu. How do you tell me see you next time now?
Kemesiano.
How do you know?
Kemesiano.
Love you.
Kemesiano.